Did you know that the world's highest waterfall is Angel Falls in Venezuela? Standing tall at a staggering height of 3,212 feet, Angel Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder. It cascades down from the edge of Auyan Tepuy, one of Venezuela's majestic tabletop mountains, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of water plunging into the lush surrounding rainforest. The falls are named after Jimmy Angel, a U.S. aviator who was the first to fly over them in 1933. Visiting Angel Falls is like stepping into a realm of awe-inspiring beauty and experiencing the raw power of nature.